Hello, welcome to Studio Pixel. This is the sixth chapter of rigging in Maya. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about how to create the reverse foot setup in a character rig. Now, reverse foot setup is a very important one and it's a very unique one to create. So there are lots of ways to create the reverse foot setup. I'm going to discuss how to create this in a very easy manner. That is the grouping method in Outix Maya. So if you see very closely to the movement of the foot movement of a bipedal character like this, it's actually actually one is the bend from this toe ball point, also from the tip and also from ankle. So if I create a joint structure according to that, then our joint structure will be something like this over here, because then only I can rotate this joint from this way. So whereas this particular ankle joint will also follow this rotation of our toe ball and also the tip. So how can we get this kind of relationship where is this joint is going to this point is going to be my child of this point and also child of this particular tip bone? So is there any way to create this kind of structure? Yes, the answer is yes. And today we are going to see how to use or how to create it. It's a very simple way to create. First of all, I have to create a IK chain from this hip bone to my ankle, and that IK chain have to be the RP solver. Why so? There are two kind of solvers out there, which is actually solving the equation of the rotation, that is SC and RP. Now why we use RP solver? Let's see. Now click on RP solver, click on the hip joint and then click on ankle, and you see it's simple, but there is a single option over here that is called twist in the RP handle, which actually works. You can see. So in the later stage, I will need my knee movement will be dependent on this particular twist, and the same twist, though it exists on the SC solver, it doesn't happen to work. Now just delete this RP solver, go to IK handle tool option and say SC. If you hit SC solver and if you move on to the channel box, you will see the twist option is there, but it's not working because that the rotation plane that actually it consists doesn't work. So I'm just deleting the SC solver again. I'm just go to the RP solver and I'll just create it. So that's it. That's my IK handle that's created, and I also renamed it this IK handle for my future purpose, that is ankle underscore IK. Yes, so that is my ankle IK. But again, I will also create another IK chain, IK handle, that is from this the ankle bone to my toe ball. Fine. So for that thing, just go to selection, skeleton, IK handle, and now I'm going to use SCR because I don't want any kind of twisting over here. So select this ankle and my toe ball. The same tool, same IK will go for the for tip. So okay, now I have to rename those IK handles, that is toe underscore ball underscore IK and also toe underscore tip underscore IK. So this is my toe tip, this is my toe ball IK, and this is my ankle IK. So that is the one thing you can put over here, that is underscore L. Oops, sorry. L underscore to ball underscore L, because it's the left one. L underscore, that's it. So now I'm not going to mirroring this stuff right now, so but still renaming or using the proper name is always help you to find out in future which IK you are actually selecting or not. So it's a very good habit to build up. So fine. Now right now what I'm going to do is just give you an example what actually I'm going to do with these IK handles. Let's suppose these are two objects, and I'm going to make, now one thing is if I rotate these two objects, this will rotate on their own axis. But what if I want this sphere to be rotated on the axis of this particular cylinder? Now for that thing, some people will say just make this sphere to be the child of this particular cylinder. Yes, that is true, but in this case, and this joint chain, there is already the sphere is the child, that I cannot make this sphere. Sorry, sphere is the parent, so I cannot make this sphere as a child. So that is one single difficulty is there. That's why we have created the IK joints. Now IKs are, there is no relationship between these two IKs. They are very much individual. Now what I will do, I will create a group of these two IK. Let's suppose these are two IKs, and I will create a group of these two IK, just pressing Ctrl G, and also putting the pivot of this IK, the group into the position of the cylinder. Oops, like that. Now if I rotate this, you can see my pivot point, as my pivot point is over here, this object or this joint or this IK handle is actually rotating this on over this particular point. Now same thing will going to happen over here. Let's see. Now just switch off that model. What I'll do, selecting this IK, the ankle IK, shift select this toe ball IK, and we will create a group. Now rename this group as toe ball, because this group is going to lie over here. So toe underscore ball underscore grp. Now hit D to activate the pivot point, and press V to snap option with the joint. Drag it and put it over here, and right now you can see, yes, I can rotate this from this particular point. Now the same thing is going to happen with this particular group, which is the toe ball group, and my tip IK. Now why this I'm taking this group? Why I'm not taking this particular ankle and toe ball IK and everything? Because I have already created a group which is controlling this toe ball IK and my ankle IK. So I don't need to control them individually, because that will also create a difficulty to understand which is the which group these ankle IK will go, because it's already in the group that is called the toe ball group. So again, if I am select these IKs individually and create a group over here, that will create a new group, and that those IK will come out of that particular toe ball group. So that's why I have to use the toe ball group and the toe tip IK to create another group and put it over here in the tip joint. So I'll just select these two. I'll just move on to make you understand more clearly. go into the hierarchy, and you can see there's a ankle IK, and toe ball IK is already there, and there's a toe ball group. So what I am doing, I'm taking the toe ball group, rather taking these two individually. What I'll do, select the toe ball group, shift select the toe tip IK, and create another group that is called toe underscore tip underscore GRP. This group. Now this group will lie on the tip. Now you can see toe tip is moving, and the toe ball, it's also moving. So that's way you can easily create the the rotation or the reverse foot. You don't have to know any kind of scraped or something, or it's a very pretty simple one, and it's very easy to use. And also, if you want to control, if you want to put a control over your ankle or something, so what you will have to do, you just have to take this toe tip group and just make it another group by pressing Ctrl G and rename that group. It's ankle GRP, and put that ankle group by pressing D and press V, snap it to group. So right now what we'll have is one one control that will control the each and everything. Also rotate it from the ankle. Also we have a toe tip group. Also we have a toe ball group. That is all what we actually required. Now after that, we can put the ankle group to a controller of our foot, and also connect this toe group and the toe ball with some custom attributes of that particular controllers. That will definitely we'll discuss in the future chapters. So hope you enjoy this, and also you do understand. I'm not going to use it and also show you the same process in the other leg, because it's a waste of time. So hope you enjoy this and understood this. Thank you very much, and please like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you very much.